Alright guys, I'm down at Millie and I want to give you guys an update. It's been a few weeks. Not a lot has happened, but I want to kind of show you guys and move forward before we make some major changes tomorrow. Alright guys. So the first thing you're going to notice is that all the carpet is up and quite a few stains. But hopefully those will be taken care of when we have the floor finishers. But I want to mainly show you because this wall is going to be gone tomorrow. This header will be gone. And then we're planning on putting a door there. It'll be a pocket door. That will be the entry to the half bath and to the laundry room. So the other thing is I got all of the linoleum tile up and had to really work to get all the adhesive up. That was a nasty mess. Totally nasty. In the kitchen, just finished the removal of all of the cabinets and all of the appliances and plumbing, things like that. What has to happen tomorrow is this whole wall has to be opened up, and it's in kind of bad shape, so I'm going to just go ahead and remove all of it. Originally we were just going to open up to here so that my plumber could get to the plumbing, but I'm just going to take the whole thing out and put up some purple drywall. So this is my pile right now. I'm waiting for the dumpster to show up. Has not showed up yet. That's my pile to go in the dumpster. The floors are in pretty decent shape. This is just kind of subfloor, where it's like a there's a sub-floor underneath there. I do have a little bit of patching I need to do there. And there's a little bit of patching I need to do in this little area here. But there will be tile going in here. So the main thing is I just need to put down something that's a good substrate for that. You can see there's an X over this door. This is all gonna go. That corner's all gonna be gone, so it'll be nice because you'll be able to see into the living room. It'll be a nice open concept, and then also this little section of wall will go all the way back to there. So that's kind of the majority of what's happened. Let me take you down the hall into the bathroom. This will have to get patched from the flooring company. So in the bathroom, again, not a lot happening yet, although I did take all the trim off the window, so I could see exactly how big my window is, because I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a vinyl window since wood in a shower is not the best idea. I mean, I can't believe it's not in worse shape, but you know. So this will also need to be demoed, and I'm hoping that I can just strip the paint. There's like a refinish paint on this tub, and I'm hoping to refinish it and then have it glazed, or strip the paint off and then have it reglazed. That's the hope at least. So all this is going to go. This vanity's got to go, the smear's got to go, light fixture, all that stuff. So tomorrow's gonna be some big demolition. I'm just really waiting for the dumpster to get here, and I need to go ahead and just kind of prep the space before I can start just having at it. Other things that happened this week, or last week, so to speak, is I was at the Habitat Restore and I scored all of these tiles, and they are white subway with a nice little bevel. I got a great deal on them. I've got 12 boxes, which hopefully should be enough for the bathroom and the kitchen backsplash. I got this little transom window at the Restore also. So that little guy will go up here. This will be bricked up, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the doorway into the house. There'll no longer be a doorway to the outside here. So that's approximately where that doorway is gonna go. So happy the tree guy came today. He trimmed all of the trees too, limbed them, got them looking nice and neat and clean. And this is my first purchase for the house. Little patio set so I can sit out here and eat. And I'm gonna leave it here when we have a renter, but yeah, that tree is totally gone. Really opens things up. This guy, he just limbed this one, cleaned it up a little bit. Yep, so that's it. That's the updates. And yeah, so tomorrow, some big changes, and can't wait to show you guys what's going on. show you guys the difference it makes. I can't wait to see that wall opened up. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.